lumberjack.
It'd be awesome.
I'm so pumped.
Oh, I brought my toolbox. Here it is. I broke it. That's okay. I'm still new at this.
That's okay.
Sorry.
That's okay. I brought my spiky lumberjack shoes. You want to listen to them on the ground. I ripped my pants. Yeah, it's okay.
Well, that's cool. According to this blueprint here of our field, I meant bluebird print. We got a lot of work to do.
Yeah. What we do is we're going to be cutting down the trees. We use a lot of different machinery. Here's one that kind of rips down trees. I'm going to climb inside and close the door. Ooh. And I'm going to turn it on. And then really loud. And then I'm gonna actually pull this tree down.
Oh, wait. I think I should cut a branch off with this saw of mine here. My hands and the saw, they have the same power.
Listen, I got an extra strength saw. I use 2 hands.
Oh my goodness. I think that tree just gave birth. It's a boy.
Yeah. Sometimes I get a little into it and I have a baby.
Hey, that's a little lumber there.
You know, we gotta watch out. There's a lot of mountain lions. Oh no, there's one over there. It's silent. It's silent mountain lion.
It's a slower mountain lion.
It's gonna creep up on us.
Now listen, if I take this rock over to that mountain lion, I wonder if I could skim it across this lake here. Maybe I could try again. You're all right, mountain lion. I give up.
All right, well let's get on our gear so we can climb up the tree. I'm gonna put on my backpack.
Zip it up. Here I come.
Come on up! Oh, you're right behind me.
Sorry, I somewhat have been breathing on you heavily.
Yeah.